Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are very well. Welcome to learn Chinese alphabets and some important phrases we will learn in English, Bengali and Hindi language. Let's start. First, we will learn Chinese vocabulary and the Chinese phrases. Okay? Here, number one, 原谅,原谅, to forgive. Number two, 我 me. Number three, 准备 to prepare. Number four, 好了 okay. Number five, 重复 to repeat. Number six, 这个 it. Number seven, 现在 now. Number eight, 过去 to go. Number nine, may don't have. Number 10, 关系 relations. Now we will start to learn Chinese phrases. Number 1, 原谅我 forgive me বাংলা অর্থ আমাকে মাফ করো in Hindi मुझे माफ कर दो excellent. Number 2, 我准备好了 English meaning I am ready. বাংলা অর্থ আমি প্রস্তুত in Hindi अर्थ मैं तैयार हूँ bravo. Number 3, 重复这个 English meaning repeat it বাংলা অর্থ এটা পুনরায় বলো excellent. Hindi अर्थ इसे दोहराओ. Number 4, 现在过去 English meaning now go বাংলা অর্থ এখন যাও wonderful. Hindi अर्थ अब जाओ nice. Number 5, 没关系 the tone 没关系 this is the second tone, this is the first tone 没关系 alright. English meaning it doesn't matter বাংলা অর্থ ব্যাপার না हिंदी अर्थ कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता excellent. Just repeat again. 原谅原谅我 Number 2我准备好了 Please here's tone this is the third tone the fourth tone this is the third tone Please look at the board repeat after me here is 重复这个重复这个 Marvelous Number 4现在 This one fourth tone过去 fourth tone Brilliant 现在过去 Brilliant Number 5没关系Excellent Now we will learn Chinese finals or like the vowels Let's start Vowels or finals Chinese finals 25 Chinese finals or like vowels en English equivalent sounds Bangla uchcharon en Hindi uchcharan en Number 26 when English equivalent sounds when Bangla uchcharon when Hindi uchcharan when Number 27 in English equivalent in Bangla uchcharon in Hindi uchcharan in Number 28 young English equivalent young Bangla uchcharon young Hindi uchcharan young Excellent You're learning very well Number 29 in English equivalent in Bangla uchcharon in well done Hindi earth in Number 13 Very nice Please repeat after me and practice with me Yong English equivalent Yong Bangla uchcharon Yong Hindi uchcharan Yong Number 31 one English equivalent one Bangla uchcharon one Please try with me one Brilliant Hindi uchcharan one Nice Number 32 win English equivalent win Fantastic Bangla उच्चारण win win हिंदी उच्चारण win win brilliant. Number 33 Wang Wang wow. English equivalent Wang Wang Bangla उच्चारण Wang Wang हिंदी उच्चारण Wang Wang brilliant. You're really intelligent. Here is number 34 Wang Wang English equivalent Wang Wang Bangla उच्चारण Wang Wang हिंदी उच्चारण Wang Wang. Number 35 Yuan Yuan. Be attentive and practice with me. Yuan. The slight difference in pronunciations. Yuan. Alright. English equivalent. Yuan Yuan. Bangla उच्चारण Yuan Yuan. Hindi उच्चारण Yuan Yuan. Number 36 Win. Please repeat after me. Win 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 win. English equivalent win. Bangla उच्चारण win win. Hindi उच्चारण win win. Your talent. Number 37 R. Very easy. R. English equivalent Bangla उच्चारण R. Well done. Hindi उच्चारण well done. Number 38 Yue. English equivalent Yue Bangla उच्चारण Yue Hindi उच्चारण Yue. Please study every day 30 minutes. 100% you can learn language. So let's repeat again. 25 Yen. 26 Yuan. 27 In. 28 Yang. 29 In. 30 Yong. 31 Wan. 32 Win. 33 Wang. 34 Yuan. 35 Yuan. 36 Win. 37 R. 38 Yue. So let's repeat again the Chinese important phrases. Please tone. 原谅我，我准备好了，重复这个 tone. This is the second tone. This is the fourth tone. This is the fourth tone. Okay. Number 4. Xian tone. First, fourth tone, fourth tone, fourth tone, fourth tone. 现在，过去. Excellent. Number 5. The tone. Here is the tone. May, second tone. Quansi, first tone. May, quansi. First, you will memorize the word meaning. Then you can easily speak all these phrases. So, dear friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Goodbye for now.